The problem with the shoplifting in the UK at the moment is just a massive increase. I mean, it's huge now in terms of the increase in the total volume of crime. Mowbray's solution, the focus is on prevention. So our entire solution is based on understanding why crime happens in a place and at a time, and then what can retail establishments do to prevent that. And that's where our solution is based on. The reason Mowbray knows so much about this is I used to be a police. I also had the opportunity to do a master's degree in criminology, very fortunately at Cambridge University. And my master's thesis was based on a specific retail outlet in the area in which I worked. And the reason I focused on that is because this retail outlet was the biggest crime hotspot in the entirety of the county in which I worked. But trying to do something about that hotspot was very difficult because of the specific features of that location. And this is not just shoplifting, this was all crime. There were 2 rapes at this location. So my focus on the master's thesis was, okay, what can we do about that from an evidence base, and how can we reduce crime in that? And that's taught me a lot that we now take into our solutions. The first thing is, how can shops help prevent shoplifting? There's good scientific evidence around why crime happens in a place and at a time. And it's basically around 3 things: a suitable target, a motivated offender, and the absence of a capable guardian. So the most simple way of preventing crime on the target side is around store layout. Literally making it harder is a very effective way of reducing crime and preventing crime in a given place. Or another example, if you've ever driven along a road and you see the sign that says unmarked cars operate in this area, do you moderate your speed because you're thinking the car behind you could be an unmarked police car? The same sort of thing can be applied as a capable guardianship, so they don't know store detectives operate in this store, for example, is another example. So what Mowbray Partners do is we put a whole training package together of a whole range of ideas and solutions that you can apply in your shop to help prevent crime going forward that vary in cost depending on what your available budget is.